Hello, my dear friend. Today we're going to explore a powerful and gentle approach to manifestation that invites you to write down your desires, relax, and trust that the universe will take care of the rest. In our busy lives, we often forget how simple it can be to create the life we truly want. Manifestation doesn't have to be a complicated process filled with anxiety and pressure. Instead, it can be a joyful and serene experience. Let's get into this beautiful journey together. Manifestation begins with clarity. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly want in your life. It could be love, abundance, health, or peace. Whatever it is, write it down. Writing is a powerful tool that helps you clarify your thoughts and intentions. When you put pen to paper, you're not just jotting down words, you're creating a tangible representation of your desires. This act alone sets the energy in motion. As you write, feel the excitement and joy of having your desires already fulfilled. Imagine the feeling of living in that reality and let it fill you with warmth and happiness. Once you've written down your desires, it's time to relax. And this is where the magic happens. You see, after you've expressed your intentions, the next step is to trust that the universe is working on your behalf. It's easy to get caught up in the how of manifestation. We often worry about the steps we need to take or the obstacles we might face, but I encourage you to release the need to control the outcome. Trust is a powerful ally. When you let go of the reins and allow the universe to guide you, you create space for your desires to manifest. Relaxation is not just about taking a break, it's about being in a state of allowance. You can practice relaxation through meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a few moments each day to sit in silence. Close your eyes and visualize your desires as if they are already yours. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude for what you are attracting into your life. This practice shifts your energy and aligns you with the vibrations of your desires. As you relax, pay attention to the signs and inspirations that come your way. The universe communicates with you in many ways, and being open to receiving these messages is vital. You might encounter people, situations, or opportunities that guide you toward your goals. These synchronicities are not coincidences. They are the universe responding to your intentions. Gratitude plays an essential role in this process. As you manifest, take time to express gratitude for everything you have, including the things you are currently working toward. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with abundance. When you appreciate what you already have, you open the door to receiving even more. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for and feel the joy that comes from acknowledging the good in your life. This simple practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance and reinforces the belief that you are deserving of all good things. Often we hold ourselves back with limiting beliefs that whisper we are not enough or that our dreams are out of reach. It's time to silence those voices. Affirm your worthiness each day with positive affirmations. Speak to yourself with kindness and compassion and replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. When you love yourself deeply, you open yourself up to receive love and abundance from the universe. Be mindful of your thoughts and words as they create your reality. Each thought carries energy and contributes to your manifestation process. Choose to think positively and speak kindly about yourself and your desires. Replace phrases like "I can't" or "I don't deserve" with affirmations like "I am capable" and "I am deserving of all good things." This shift in mindset is transformative and aligns your energy with your desires. The universe has its own perfect timing, and often the journey is just as important as the destination. Trust that everything is coming together for you, even if you can't see it yet. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. You may also find it helpful to create a vision board. This is a beautiful and creative way to visualize your desires. Gather images, words, and symbols that resonate with your goals and place them on a board where you can see them daily. This visual representation keeps your intentions at the forefront of your mind and allows you to feel inspired. As you look at your vision board, allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with achieving those desires. And it's also important to let go of any attachment to the outcome. Attachment can create resistance, and that resistance can block the flow of abundance. Release your grip on how and when things should happen. Instead, focus on the feeling you want to experience. When you shift your focus from the specific outcome to the emotions associated with it, you open yourself up to infinite possibilities. The universe may have something even better in store for you than you can imagine. As you continue this practice, be patient with yourself. Manifestation is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Acknowledge the moments when you feel aligned with your desires and take note of the signs you receive. Every little victory is a step toward your greater goal. Surround yourself with positivity and support. Engage with people who uplift and inspire you. Share your dreams with those who believe in you and encourage your journey. This supportive environment nurtures your spirit and reinforces your belief in yourself and your dreams. As you practice this manifestation formula, it's important to release any fears or doubts that arise. Fear can be a powerful obstacle, but it doesn't have to control your life. When you feel fear creeping in, take a moment to acknowledge it and then choose to let it go. Visualize yourself surrounded by love and light and remind yourself that you are safe and supported. You are capable of overcoming any challenge that comes your way. Manifestation is not merely a one-time act. It's a way of life that requires your commitment. As you cultivate the habit of writing your desires, visualize your goals, and maintain a positive mindset, you create a powerful momentum that brings your dreams closer to reality. Establish a daily routine that includes time for reflection and intention setting. This could be in the morning when you rise or at night before you sleep. Dedicating this time allows you to align your thoughts and feelings with your intentions consistently. In addition to writing and visualizing, consider incorporating affirmations that resonate deeply with you. Craft statements that reflect your desires and feel authentic to your journey. For instance, if you're seeking a new job, you might say, I am open to opportunities that bring me joy and fulfillment. Repeating these affirmations not only reinforces your intentions, but also transforms your subconscious beliefs over time. The more you affirm your desires, the more you convince yourself of their validity, creating a ripple effect in your external reality. Another important aspect is the need for self-reflection. Take time to check in with yourself regularly. Ask questions like, what beliefs might be holding me back? Or how do I feel about my progress? Self-awareness allows you to identify any limiting thoughts that may arise. Addressing these thoughts is crucial as they can act as barriers to your manifestation process. When you acknowledge these beliefs, you can replace them with positive affirmations, reinforcing the notion that you are worthy of achieving your desires. Cultivating a mindset of abundance is equally essential. Often we focus on what we lack rather than what we have. Shift your perspective by celebrating small victories and acknowledging the abundance already present in your life. This practice nurtures a grateful heart, allowing you to attract even more positivity. Consider starting a gratitude journal where you write down things you appreciate daily. This simple yet effective technique can significantly enhance your overall mindset and energetic vibration. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment also plays a vital role in the manifestation process. And whether it's painting, dancing, gardening, or spending time with loved ones, doing what you love raises your vibration and aligns you with the energy of your desires. Joy is a magnet for abundance. When you fill your life with joy, you naturally attract more of what you want. Take time each week to prioritize activities that uplift your spirit. And lastly, keep an open mind to the possibilities that come your way. Sometimes opportunities may present themselves in unexpected forms. By remaining open and flexible, you allow the universe to surprise you with blessings that may surpass your original desires. Trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, even if it doesn't align with your initial plans. As we conclude this session on manifestation, I want to invite you to reflect on the power you hold to create your reality. By writing down your desires, practicing relaxation, and trusting the universe, you can manifest the life you truly want. This journey requires patience and dedication, but every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. You are not just a passive observer in this process, you are an active participant, shaping your destiny with every thought and intention. If you found value in this message, I encourage you to take a moment to show your support, like this video, to help spread the message of positivity and empowerment. Your engagement helps others discover these important teachings and inspires them to embark on their manifestation journeys. Additionally, consider subscribing to the channel for more content that supports your growth and well-being. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss any future insights or tips to enhance your life. Moreover, consider following the channel on social media for daily affirmations and motivational content. Engaging with us on various platforms allows you to stay connected and receive inspiration wherever you go. Lastly, take a moment to reflect on your journey and the steps you can take today to manifest your desires. You hold the power to shape your reality, and I am grateful to share this space with you. Let's continue to support each other as we create lives filled with love, abundance, and joy. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to connecting with you again soon.